अरे फिट ट्यूबर, हमेशा स्किन की कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती रहती है यार, क्या करूं। मैं ब्लड पे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, अब मैं स्किन की बात कर रहा हूँ, तू कहाँ ब्लड पे ले गया। कोई क्रीम बता दे। अच्छा एक बात बता, अगर तेरी कार में प्रॉब्लम आ गई तो तू क्या उसका इंजन ऑयल बदलेगा या बाहर से पॉलिश मारेगा? ऑफ कोर्स इंजन ऑयल ही बदलूंगा। प्रॉब्लम अंदर है। हाँ,
अभी समझा ये जाकर के।
in this video, we will discuss why our blood gets impure, the clear signs that our body gives, best foods, and the three most effective ways, as mentioned in the Ayurvedic scriptures, to purify the blood naturally at home without much effort. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Why is blood purification important? Imagine a delivery guy. If the roads in his area are too bumpy, obviously he would not be efficient in delivering the goods. The same takes place in our body as well, where the blood is the delivery guy and the bumps in a road are the toxins present in it. Due to these toxins, the blood, which transports oxygen, hormones, vitamins, minerals and other vital nutrients to the organs of the body, gets impure and is not able to function efficiently. These bumps, if not smoothened proactively, can give rise to disorders. So how do we know if our blood is getting impure? In Ayurveda, toxic blood is a result of rise in Pitta dosh or the heat in the Rakta dhatu. Our body's intelligence gives signs of impure blood that can be most commonly seen on the body in the form of skin problems. It can be itching, allergies, rashes, pimples, hives, eczema or psoriasis. Then excessive hair loss, headaches due to heat, loss of appetite, feeling sleepy most of the time, dark yellow urine, excessive menstrual bleeding or other bleeding disorders, burning sensations, they all mean that the blood has impurities in it. Since all tissues and organs are connected by blood, these tell-all signs, if not acted upon, can lead to chronic problems of the body. So what causes blood toxicity? Apart from the environmental pollution which might not be in our control, Ayurveda considers negative emotions to be the major cause of impure blood. Every time we get angry, we fear, we are jealous or sad, our body literally produces certain secretions that creates toxicity in the blood. Well, to beat the stress, just 15 minutes of daily yoga practice is a great start. Then regularly indulging in acidic foods like carbonated drinks, chips, biscuits, chocolates, fried foods, non-veg, or even overly salty, spicy and sour food at home can impure the blood. Another cause is eating the wrong food combinations. Most common is to combine salt and milk. If you add milk while making curries, or add milk while making dough for chapati, or have tea with salty snack, you are wantonly making your blood toxic. Please note that I have said milk and not milk products. Apart from these, heavy doses of antibiotics, smoking, alcohol, irregular food timings and compromising on sleep also make the blood impure. So how do we purify the blood? Actually, we need not, as our three organs, namely the liver, spleen and kidneys, are responsible for purifying the blood. Although since we overload the body with toxins, these organs are not able to work so efficiently. The first and the obvious step is to reduce the toxic overload. This can be done by eliminating the causal factors as much as possible. Fasting once in 15 days is a major breakthrough. Even something as simple as eating dinner by 7 p.m. gives the much needed chance to our organs to rejuvenate itself. Among the 7 dhatus, Ayurveda considers Rakta dhatu of prime importance. That's because all the later dhatus depend on the quality of our blood. This is the reason Ayurveda talks at length about Rakt Shodhan, that is purification of the blood, and lists out ways to do it. There are also some easy ways which one can do at home inexpensively. One is simply to have 4 to 5 fresh neem leaves continuously for just 5 days on an empty stomach. It's a blessing that we can find neem trees so easily in almost every locality, no matter which part of India we live in. Neem is cooling and among the best natural blood purifiers. In fact, look for any blood purifying syrup in the market, it will definitely have neem in it. Extremely beneficial for skin disorders, its action is deep and detoxifying. Every morning for just 5 days, 1 hour before breakfast, chew on 4 to 5 neem leaves. Fresh Fresh and new leaves are more potent than the older and dried ones. Although if eating neem leaves is not feasible, don't worry. You can buy two classical Ayurvedic syrups, Mahamanjisthadi Kwath and Khadira Rest. Prepared using the most effective blood detoxifying herbs like Manjistha, Neem, Giloy, turmeric, amla and many more, Mahamanjisthadi Kwath is probably the best natural blood purifier in Ayurvedic medicine. When combined with Khadira Rest, another classical formulation with over 15 herbs, the blood purifying effect is enhanced manyfold. All you need to do is have 3 teaspoons of Mahamanjisthadi Kwath and 3 teaspoons of Khadira Rest with 6 teaspoons of water 30 minutes after meal twice a day, once after breakfast and once after dinner. Buy any brand, both are easily available at any Ayurvedic shop and are not expensive either. One bottle each is more than enough. Truly, both these together are so effective that you will forget all other blood purifiers in the market. And yes, they have no side effects. Then third option is to drink hibiscus flower tea. Hibiscus flowers are yet another natural blood purifier. Rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, hibiscus flower is a superfood for the blood, heart and the mind. Cooling in property, they are helpful in reducing bleeding disorders. Hibiscus flowers improve skin complexion and promote hair growth. Dried hibiscus flowers are very easily available online and offline. Offline, they are way cheaper. Simply take a couple of flowers and put them in a pan with about 500 ml of water. Boil until 1/4 water is left behind. Strain and add mishri powder if you want to sweeten it. It can be consumed hot or chilled. Completely safe, you can have it whenever you feel like. It tastes good too. Each of these 3 remedies are powerful in their own aspect, so you can choose them as per your convenience. You must also know about certain foods that are amazingly healthy for the blood. Carrots, beetroots, pumpkin, bottle and pointed gourds are the best daily foods to include in any form you wish. Leafy vegetables, mostly being astringent in taste, help remove toxins from the blood. Pomegranates, ripe mangoes, jamun, apples and amla are some fruits to eat often. Did you know that foods that are bitter in taste are naturally blood purifying? So make sure to include bitter gourd at least once in a week. You can also have turmeric milk before sleep. Ginger, fenugreek seeds and jaggery are other natural foods that purify the blood. One should also make a point to indulge in sweet taste as it reduces body heat. Just make sure to use natural sweeteners like adding thread mishri instead of that sulfur washed sugar. Let us summarize quickly. To maintain good mental poise, introduce yoga in your life. Cut down excessively salty, spicy and sour foods. Bitter, astringent and sweet foods are beneficial for blood detoxification. Try to avoid combining milk and salty foods. Eat on time and do not compromise on your sleep. Finally, pick one of these 3 remedies as per your preference. Blood purification is not something we should worry about if we are aware and act upon the causal factors. All the products mentioned in this video can be easily bought offline, although for your convenience I have even linked them in the description box. If you found this video helpful, please do give a big thumbs up. If you are looking for a special Ayurvedic oil for your hair, then True Hair's new onion hair oil is a good option. I say special because True Hair comes with True Heater. Of course, we all know that if we apply warm oil on the scalp, it works much better. Although we often feel lazy to warm it. And if it gets too hot, then it's again a problem. Its solution is True Hair's new onion hair oil that comes with True Heater. It heats the oil until 65 degrees and then automatically turns off. It takes about 4 minutes and you get a clear signal as the light flashes off. This is an intelligent product using which you can get the benefit of onion along with 11 Ayurvedic herbs without any hassle. And it's pocket friendly as well. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Through that link, you will get 20% off. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.